Okay, so I have to say, I am in love with the Canon EOS R. This last update has been a pretty nice one. I'm loving the new eye autofocus. It's a lot better. I can stand farther back and still see that it is on the right eye, switch to the left eye. Like, that's really cool. Now, obviously, the last update that gave us eye autofocus, it was okay, but you had to be extremely close to the camera to actually have the eye autofocus working, whatever, who knows. But anyways, I've been exclusively shooting in C-Log. Now, I've actually been making videos almost daily, but I haven't been posting them. Like, we just went to a pumpkin patch yesterday. I didn't talk to the camera, but I've been shooting some video, but I haven't been posting it. But as I haven't been posting anything on YouTube for a while, or a week, not that big of a deal, but I've just realized that, dude, YouTube is a big contradiction of how I live my life. And what I mean by that is, I'm just a very private person. Now, if you go to my Instagram page, Facebook page, that's all I have for social media wise, except for YouTube. I never post anything on those, like Facebook or Instagram. I don't post anything. I very rarely post anything. If you see anything on my page, 9 times out of 10, it's because my wife tagged me in something. So like Instagram, I don't do anything. I may have posted 9 times on Instagram if I'm not mistaken. But it just got me thinking, like, why has it been hard for me to try to daily vlog? Well, it's because it's a contradiction of how I've lived my life for so long. I'm an introvert, obviously. I don't really do much. I don't try to go out and make friends. It's just not something that I have a desire to do. I like my peace and quiet when I can get it. And, you know, I don't want to feel obligated to be somebody's friend. Now, obviously, I have friends. I have a really good friend named Steve. I have another good friend named Lucas. I have a lot of friends, but I don't know, I guess my personality doesn't like make me want to go hang out with people and like, I need to hang out with people to feel fulfilled in my life. Like, that's not who I am. I just like being alone a lot of the times and doing things by myself and with my wife and my daughter. Like, that's what brings me joy. But anyway, getting sidetracked. Now, the whole point that I'm trying to make here is, I think that's why I haven't been able to daily vlog, is because I haven't been able to open up. And that's something that I want to work on, and I'm saying this because maybe that's your problem. Maybe that's why you haven't been successful at daily vlogging, because I just look at the successful daily vloggers and people that do it and love it, they don't mind opening up and sharing their lives. The issues in their lives, the good, the bad, everything. Now, obviously, I would have boundaries, and I know these other people have boundaries, but it's just like, I need to get to that point to where I can open up and share and discuss things or have a point of view on something and not be afraid to say it. Now, I'm not afraid to say anything, nor do I care about what people think of me. But again, it's just the fact that I am a very private person. So now just food for thought for everyone out there. Maybe if you're struggling with vlogging and things like that and sharing your life, it's because maybe it's against your nature and you're typically a private person. So yeah, I'm gonna work on that, and I'm gonna attempt to try to vlog again and again and again until I can get comfortable with it. Funny fact, by the way, is I've never actually talked to a camera in front of my wife. Like, literally, that's how private I am. It's just the fact, like, I'm uncomfortable doing it in front of my wife. So you can't have like a family vlog or go out and do something as a family and document it, because it's gonna be awkward. So just some things that I need to work on, I guess, to make these videos more interesting and give you different content, I guess. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video. With the shadows on the bedroom wall, silhouettes of memories that I